Welcome back to our Generative AI series. Today, we are diving into one of the most important concepts in modern AI, known as RAG, or Retrieval-Augmented Generation. It sounds technical, but it is actually a simple idea that makes artificial intelligence much smarter and more trustworthy. First, let's understand the problem. Large language models, like the ones that power ChatGPT, are incredible, but they have a major flaw. They have a frozen memory. They only know what they were trained on, which means their knowledge has a cutoff date. If you ask them about something that happened today or about your private company data, they might not know. Worse, they might hallucinate, which means they confidently make up an answer that is completely wrong. This is where RAG comes in. Think of a standard AI model as a student taking a test from memory. RAG is like letting that student take the test with an open book. It combines 3 steps. First, retrieval, finding the right information. Second, augmentation, adding that info to the context. And third, generation, writing the answer. It is about looking up the facts before speaking. Here is the flow of how it works. It starts with a user query, like asking about a refund policy. Instead of guessing, the system first retrieves relevant documents from your database. It then augments the original question with these facts. Finally, the AI generates an answer based specifically on those documents. It is a seamless process that happens in milliseconds. Let's look at the first part, the retriever. Before the AI even tries to answer, this component acts like a super-fast librarian. It scans through your specific data, whether that is PDF files, spreadsheets, or emails, and finds the exact paragraph or chunk of text that contains the answer. It uses a technology called vector search to understand the meaning behind your question, not just keywords. Once the information is found, we move to the generator. This is where the magic happens. The system takes the user's question and pastes the found information right next to it in a hidden prompt. It effectively tells the AI, here is the policy, now answer the user's question using only this information. This forces the AI to be accurate and stick to the facts. So, how does this compare to a standard AI model? A standard model relies on static, frozen knowledge. It is prone to guessing and can't see your private data. A RAG system, on the other hand, has access to real-time knowledge. It is grounded in reality because it cites its sources, and it can securely access your private business data without leaking it to the public internet. There are 3 main benefits to using RAG. First is accuracy. It massively reduces hallucinations. Second is freshness. You do not need to spend millions retraining the AI every time the news changes. You just update your documents. And third is transparency. The system can point to the exact document it used, so you can verify the answer yourself. RAG is being used everywhere right now. Customer support bots use it to answer questions from technical manuals. Lawyers use it to find precedents in thousands of legal cases. Doctors use it to quickly summarize patient histories. And developers use it to understand complex code bases. It turns your private data into an intelligent conversation. In a nutshell, Retrieval-Augmented Generation bridges the gap between the powerful reasoning of AI and the specific, factual nature of your data. It allows AI to look before it leaps, making it a safe, smart, and incredibly useful tool for businesses and individuals alike.
If you like this video, hit that like button and don't forget to subscribe. Visit codelucky.com for more such useful content.